One of the most difficult things is to rebuild your partner's trust after an affair. And one of the first things one must do is to terminate all contact with the lover. Now, this might require relocation or job change. It might require very drastic changes in your life. It's very important. I have couples usually sign a no contact contract to make sure there is absolutely no contact via text or email or Facebook with the prior lover. The next thing is to spend as much time as possible with your spouse or your partner, and undivided attention is key. That might require that you account for all the time away from your spouse, because it may take time for the aggrieved spouse or partner to start trusting you again. And of course, it will take time, it will take heartbreak. It is not something that's rebuilt overnight. It is simply something that requires continuous proof of devotion and remorse. And so it's not something that's going to happen quickly.